let's face it, the whole crypto world can feel a bit like the Wild West. You're venturing into this exciting, decentralized frontier, trading digital assets, watching the charts go up and down, but then what? How do you actually turn those crypto gains into cold, hard cash you can spend in the real world? Well, if you're a Kraken user, you might be wondering specifically, can Kraken send money directly to your bank account? Buckle up, crypto cowboys and cowgirls, because that's exactly what we're going to unpack in this video. From digital to dollars, understanding fiat withdrawals. Before we dive into Kraken's bank transfer capabilities, let's take a quick detour for crypto newbies. The money you use every day, dollars, euros, yen, that's all called fiat currency. When you withdraw from a crypto exchange like Kraken, you're essentially converting your cryptocurrency back into this traditional fiat money. This process is called a fiat withdrawal. Kraken and your bank account, a match made in. Regulation? Alright, now that we're on the same page about fiat withdrawals, let's get to the real question. Can Kraken send money straight to your bank account? The answer is a resounding yes, with a few important caveats. Here's the deal. Kraken operates in a heavily regulated space. This means they need to follow strict rules to ensure everything is above board. One of those rules is that they can only send money back to the bank account you used to deposit funds in the first place. This helps prevent fraud and money laundering, important stuff to keep the crypto ecosystem safe and sound. Making the move, how to withdraw from Kraken to your bank account. So, you've confirmed that the bank account linked to your Kraken account is the one you want to use. Awesome! Withdrawing your funds is a breeze. Here's a quick rundown. Log into your Kraken account. Navigate to the funding section. Select Withdraw. Choose your preferred fiat currency. Under Withdrawal Method, select Bank Account. Here's where things get specific. You'll need to enter the amount you want to withdraw and double-check that the bank account information displayed matches your desired destination. Once everything looks good, review the withdrawal fees, we'll get to those in a sec, and confirm the transaction. The price of convenience, understanding withdrawal fees. There's no such thing as a free lunch, and that applies to crypto withdrawals too. Kraken, like most exchanges, charges fees for processing fiat withdrawals. These fees can vary depending on the withdrawal method you choose. Bank transfer is usually the most affordable, and the amount you're withdrawing. Here's the good news, Kraken is pretty transparent about their fees. You can find a detailed breakdown on their website before you initiate a withdrawal. This way, you know exactly what you're getting into before you hit that confirm button. The waiting game, processing times for bank transfers. Alright, you've initiated your withdrawal. Now comes the not so fun part, waiting. The processing time for bank transfers can vary depending on your bank and Kraken's internal procedures. It typically takes 3 to 5 business days for the funds to appear in your account. Security first, keeping your Kraken account safe. Before we wrap things up, a quick word about security. Kraken takes their users' safety very seriously, and so should you. Here are a few tips to keep your Kraken account and your hard-earned crypto safe. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password when logging in. Be cautious of phishing scams. Never click on suspicious links or enter your Kraken login credentials on any website other than the official Kraken domain. Keep your software up to date, including your web browser and any security programs you use. With that, thanks for watching, and until next time.